Yeah, I mean, most places here are wheelchair accessible.
Good.
Most are friendly. Meaning I can go through their doors and whatnot without knocking anything off the shelves.
Yeah.
My control is wonky.
Mhm.
I've got something in between my ears that's there's a short there where it says stop eating, you're full. I
Mhm.
don't always get that signal.
Yeah. Yeah.
So these days I end up purging more often than not because I've eaten too much or
Hey, Ren, how's it going?
not too bad.
Cool. Where are you from?
Uh, um, here mostly.
Oh,
I've been in Humboldt County since 1990.
okay.
Um, Go Panthers.
Go Panthers, nice. Oh wow, McKinleyville.
Yeah,
Nice.
I'm in enemy territory.
Wow. And if you don't mind me asking, how big are you? Or...
I claim 6 feet and just weighed in just over 500.
500. Okay. How's your health situation like?
Other than morbidly obese, which is there are times that I wish that I could go back and rebuild the body,
Oh, okay.
but these days I'm always in pain. If I'm not, if I'm not in pain, I'm either dead or very high.
Okay. What
Nothing
caused
good stuff.
what caused um the transformation?
Time.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I'm just happen to be one of those growing number that genetic lottery. I'm better at gathering than hunting.
Yeah.
I store the fat cells easier than others. So surviving the famines and whatnot would have been in my interest, but then I just had a low scoring hand. I've had minor wins
Mm-hmm.
and minor losses, and it's just I've never been. There are those who had it worse,
Mm-hmm.
and there are those who had it better, and I'm stuck in the middle.
Have you ever tried getting healthier in a way?
I have done Atkins.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I have done various other things, and I'm good, but my control is wonky.
Mm-hmm.
I've got something in between my ears that's there's a short there where it says stop eating, you're full.
Mm-hmm.
I don't always get that signal.
Yeah. Yeah.
So these days I end up purging more often than not because I've eaten too much or
Yeah.
take a little too much and it's had to
Yeah.
blow the ballast.
Yeah. I love my fast food and my soda, so I kind of.
Well, no, most of those I keep down. It's the healthy cooking healthy home cooking or whatever that's. Yeah, this will help you out. Keep you on the thin and trim. Well, that was delicious going down. Let's see how it tastes coming back.
Mm-hmm. What are your servings like, if you don't mind me asking?
These days, what I take in is about the size of a kid's meal.
Okay.
What I'm grabbing is 3 value meals and trying to work that down.
Yeah.
Which is why it keeps coming back up.
Oh. Oh, okay. It keeps coming back up. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay, but...
Which means I'm eating for 4, but only consuming for 1.
Okay. It keeps coming back up. Are you able to push it back down or swallow it back?
No.
Oh.
When it comes up, I'm lucky to I have a garbage can under my chin.
Oh. Okay. What are the doctors saying, or do you need a...
They haven't. I'm either lying in the wrong position. There's something wrong with my esophagus from the bypass, or yeah.
Okay. Understand.
Okay. One moment. I need to shift.
Yeah. I'll shift over here too. But is it tough on the back spots where the pressure is, and pressure sores or anything?
Because I'm always sitting, and or lounging, I have to keep moving every 2-3 hours. Otherwise, I develop nasties.
Sores.
I don't have the support at home to keep off from the various areas. And once I develop these nasties, it takes about 2-3 weeks for them to go away.
Okay.
So I'm in an unhappy mode.
Okay.
And then right now, I've got something going on around my kidney region of my lumbar.
Oh, I see.
Now, either it's a disc being squeezed, most nerves being pinched cause short circuit of the system. I don't have that, but I have it's like someone's driving a ice pick or something right in there, and thank God it doesn't happen when I'm standing. But I get it every 30 seconds. I'm sitting or lounging, unless I'm taking my good stuff. Which I haven't this morning. It's just...
How about using restroom and bathing? How's that like?
Yeah, I have bathing is tricky. Usually need a little hand getting everything done up. Bathrooms, I usually leave a mess or something, even when I'm trying. I mean, I no longer use public bathrooms any longer because it's just too much of a mess.
Do you have caretakers helping you out?
I have one guaranteed. I have one who wants to work with me,
Okay.
but I don't know if she's just playing me or whatever, or if this. And then there's others, and it's just.
Paid through the city? Is it disability or IHSS or disability? Or...
I get in-home support services.
Okay.
For
Cool.
my keeper.
Yeah.
As in he keeps the cage clean.
Okay.
There's another keeper who keeps me in the cage.
Okay.
Rather than on the street. Though they have supposedly been looking to find me a place where I can be taken care of as well as. But.
Is there anything the community can help you or send support or any kind of good wishes? Or
prayers and dreams I'll take.
okay.
Money is nice, but it's just going to go into the wrong place at the wrong time.
Okay. Okay. Before I say goodbye, Ren, is there anything else you want to let the community or the viewers know?
No. I'm always up to. Hey, how you doing?
Do you have social media or phone number they can contact you?
No, I don't really do that. I mean, I prefer to observe.
Cool.
I'm willing to shake hands and whatnot. If I say no, there's a reason.
Yeah.
And and at least it's not going to be like Gabriel Iglesias' reason for not shaking hands.
Cool, Ren. All right. Anything else you want to tell the viewers before I say goodbye?
Not at this time. I'm willing to do a flag guide later if you want to catch up on it or whatever.
All right, Ren. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay.